Welcome. In this video, we will guide you through installing a screen protector on an in-dash screen. Installations are best done in temperatures between 65 and 86 degrees Fahrenheit. If the temperature in your vehicle is outside this range, we recommend running the vehicle long enough to get the interior temperature to this range for the installation. You will also want to ensure that the vehicle is clean and in a well-lit environment to get the best possible installation. Before attempting to install your screen protector, install the test piece to evaluate the effects of the material. Wipe a portion of your screen large enough to install the test piece. Then, using the protruding tab on the test piece, gently pull back the back liner about an inch to expose the adhesive backing. Allow the exposed adhesive to touch the screen and remove the bottom liner while sealing the film to the screen using a finger or the provided squeegee. Next, remove the top liner by pulling the orange sticker. Power on your device and examine the effects of the material. When satisfied, power off the device, carefully remove the test piece and proceed with the installation. Next, verify that the protector will fit your screen by removing it from the packaging and holding it up to the screen. There should be a 0.5 mm to 1 mm gap around the edge of the protector for ease of installation. Once you have verified the size, set the screen protector aside on a clean surface or place it back in the bag. If necessary, vacuum the screen and surrounding area to remove as much dust as possible. Wipe the screen with a provided cleaner and then a dry portion of the microfiber cloth. Hold the protector against the screen. If it has cutouts, slots, or corners that are not all the same shape, be sure to rotate the protector to fit the screen appropriately. Attach an installation sticker to the top edge of the screen protector, as shown here. Do not seal the sticker down to the device until you have the protector positioned properly. For smaller screens, you will only need one sticker. Larger screens may need 2 stickers. Adjust the protector to center it as much as possible on the screen. When you have the sticker in place and the protector properly aligned, seal the loose side of the sticker down to the dash or back of the device to create a hinge between the screen protector and the device. Lift the protector away from the screen. Clean the screen again if necessary. This is your last opportunity to clean the screen before installing the protector, so take time to remove all fingerprints, dust, and hair. You can use another installation sticker to remove any lingering dust or hair from the screen. Save the sticker by putting it back onto the wax side of the paper it came on. You are now ready to apply the screen protector. Using the protruding tab, carefully pull back the liner of the protector to expose the adhesive. For this size screen, start with about 2 to 3 inches of the adhesive exposed while holding the back liner out of the way. Use the provided squeegee to seal the screen protector to the screen while continuing to pull more of the back liner as needed. If air bubbles appear, lift the screen protector back toward the bubble while pushing the bubble with the squeegee. Bubbles with a speck in the center indicate dust or hair between the protector and the screen. These can be removed by lifting the protector to expose the speck and carefully tapping an installation sticker on the speck. It is helpful to use a marker to circle the particle on the front liner before lifting the screen protector. If the alignment appears to be off while you are applying the protector, you may need to lift the protector back to the installation sticker and reattach the sticker before trying again. After the screen protector has been fully applied and the back liner detached, use the squeegee to seal down the edges of the protector. Next, carefully remove the front liner and the installation sticker by pulling on the orange sticker. If air bubbles appear when the front liner is removed, use the squeegee to reseal the screen protector to the screen. Some small bubbles may take up to 24 hours to dissipate. If you have any questions, please contact our customer support team. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel.